Usapang sasakyan ulit. Being one of the necessities para sa atin, especially sa panahon ngayon, is yung pagkakaroon ng sariling means of transportation. Pwedeng bike, motor, or even sasakyan o kotse. Hindi lang pang personal na gamit, pwede rin gamitin sa negosyo o ng pagkakakitaan. Pero paano nga ba mag-acquire ng sarili mong sasakyan? Well, syempre, pwede ka naman bumili ng sasakyan in cash. Pwede mo siyang bayaran in full cash. Pero paano naman if walang pang cash o tight budget? Or simply, mas preferred mo lang na hulugan at di kailangan maglabas ng malaking cash on the spot. Yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, and it's about kung paano mag-apply ng car loan. This is JJ, marketing professional dito sa Toyota Office. Auto loan, financing, bank PO, marami pang iba. Maraming ways or tawag sa pag-apply ng loan. But we'll be talking about the very basic dealer financing. This is perhaps the easiest and most convenient way to apply or acquire your desired vehicle. Bakit? Ito yan. Mapa-employed business owner,